Hello everyone, today I've been doing some crafting. I just got an idea. And the idea is, what if I could make a special sticky mortar that instead of just holding the stones together while I'm building stuff out of stone, it like literally gets so hot that the stones melt into lava and then fuse together. So I've been working on this little concoction of sticky mortar with the intention of being able to weld stone together. Not sure if it's going to work yet, so I've got like a tiny sample and a regular rock, and I'm going to see if I get any deformation or not. Also, I made these matchsticks, which are like way bigger than regular matchsticks, and I'm going to use them to ignite it. So I'm going to go ahead and take my regular matches in order to ignite the non-regular matches. So I'm going to store over here for now. Hopefully I can manage to do it. Oh, here we go. Uh-oh, it's just so cold outside and there's like a little bit of wind, so it's kind of a little bit hard to get this thing going, but here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Dang it, my matches keep going out. Oh, maybe if I sort of shelter it over here. I'll get it going properly first. Here we go. Oh, there we go, look at that. Oh my goodness. Right. Well, we've got a lot of smoke. My goodness, that's a lot of smoke. I'm not sure if that's going to be enough to melt the stone though. I think it didn't go for long enough. Maybe I should make more of it. Oh dear, that's a lot of smoke. Sorry neighbours. Well, it's still going. I'm not sure if it's enough to melt the stone though. I might need a hotter fuel. On the plus side, maybe you could use it to make warm rocks really quick. Not sure why you need warm rocks, but maybe you do. Huh. It smells rather sugary. It's actually kind of a nice smell. Or maybe it's just for dyeing rocks black. We've got a black rock now. I'm pretty sure it was a grey rock, and now we've got black rock. So there's some leftover sugar in there. Okay, that's not great. It's definitely not great. I don't see any melting. Stone certainly isn't melted. Maybe if I throw a tiny bit more in. Is it just the quantity? Is quantity the thing that's not letting it melt? I'm trying to make lava with kitchen top chemistry, but it's not working great. Maybe if I put another one in. Maybe like a whole bunch of them all at once. Will that do it? Come on. You know you want to turn into lava. Okay, I don't think it's going to turn into lava. Matter of fact, I think it's kind of suffocating itself with how little oxygen it's getting in there. Oh, that's hot. Ouch. It's making like tiny little explosions. It kind of looks like a baby volcano in there. There's like lots and lots of little random bursts of light. Yet we still do not have lava. Okay, maybe this was a stupid idea, or maybe I need to change my recipe to just regular old boring thermite. I wonder if that would work. If I just made thermite, could I weld stones together with thermite and make the world's swankiest pizza oven? If that's a word. Well, look at that. It's like a big old charcoal barbecued popsicle stick. Look at that. I made a burning popsicle from hell. Its flavor is sugar and oxidizer. It'd probably burn your mouth. Bad idea. Oh, it just keeps burning. This gives me an idea, actually. It's like charcoal that just keeps expanding. Alright, this is just going to take forever and it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Maybe if I add some oxidizer, will that speed it up? Have we got lava yet? Come on, lava. Come on, turn into lava. You know you want to turn into lava. Oh, stupid stone. Nope. The stone does not want to turn into lava. I think this one's a failure. I'm just gonna leave it there for now. I might come back to it later, once this is cooled down enough that I can pick it up and spray it with the hose. Alright everyone, I've invented a new idea. This could be used for a few different things. My first idea is that this, dang it fell apart. This mixture will fuse this rock to this rock by turning both rocks into lava. That might not work because it might just not get hot enough, but alternatively you could use it as like a trap mechanism. Like imagine there was two stones in the wall and they were like holding up, I don't know, like a giant stone trapdoor from like an Indiana Jones movie. You could have like a little tripwire thing, set it off, and then it would like sever the joints maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to demonstrate it now. It didn't go as well as I was hoping. It certainly worked a lot better in my head. Instead of actually melting the rocks together, all we've got is a bunch of sticky sugar covering all these rocks, which is completely useless. On the bright side, these two rocks that were glued together are no longer glued together. So I don't know, maybe you could use that for something. I haven't figured out what that might be though. Whoa, that's a lot of smoke. It's white out over there. My goodness, look at that smoke. Small fog.